I just want to give you guys a quick update. I know it's been a while since I posted, but just been doing wiring and stuff, and it's pretty boring. So, I don't want to. Plus, this is all new to me. I'm still trying to figure it out, so I can't really make a video on it. But that's what I got so far. This is what I got right now. Obviously, starter solenoid and everything else. I got to run the wire for the starter and stuff when I get that. Let's see, what else have I done? Did wire up this right here. Got my turn signals there. Got my fuel pump. That's my fuel pump wire for my switch there. And I'm doing my turn signals right now. Got the relay. It's all tucked up nice and neat there. Let me see right there. I got it one of them just fuse panels off Amazon, and it happened to fit right up in the factory one, and I can still put the cover on. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna try out those grip lock ties too for that Cletus and Dave Sparks been talking about. So if these ones are pretty good, like they say, I'm gonna end up getting more probably, anyways. Still working on the harness for the Terminator X, and I said that's about it. I did get my injector situation all figured out, so that's all good to go now. Idle air control, throttle position sensors in. Gonna get an alternator, and still need a fuel pressure sensor and temp sensor. Then I'm gonna redo the way I want to mount my cold side for my turbos there. And I did get a Turbo 400.
Hell yes.
Which I did just talking about it a little bit whenever I got it, so I'll post that in here from the other day. So I decided to wait till the coldest day of the year to go pick this up. Just want to say thank you again to Alan. He hooked me up with this, and it's just another piece I needed for the car. We got ourselves a Turbo 400. Need to clean it up, and I'm gonna have it built. Obviously, got to cut the bell there. Get an ultra bell to mount it to my forward block, trans brake, all that stuff. I'm already off from FTI, and yeah, it's like 5 degrees right now. Got down to like -7 last night. It snowed quite a bit. This poor girl's out here freezing. But I'm gonna get the garage warmed up, get that transmission in. I got a buddy coming over to help me unload it, and thanks to JR and his son too for helping. Actually, they did all the work. I didn't really do much, but I'm gonna get inside and get warmed up, and I'm gonna do some more wiring on my car and going from there. Okay, I'm back. That was tangent from the past, so we're back to the present now. I'm gonna show you a little bit on what I'm gonna do with Tyler's car too. I'm gonna patch the panel down in there. I'm just gonna order from LMR. Replace the intake plenum gasket, the valve covers. I want to paint them and the intake while it's off. There's a little what I got right there. See, that fits pretty good. So about all I got going on right now. Looking pretty good. So still, thank you guys. It's gonna be a lot. Trust me, it'll be a lot better once these things are running. And sorry, the lighting. You'll hear that? Somebody's ripping it. It'll be a lot more exciting watching me. I know it's just been boring as hell. So, alright guys. I'm gonna eat and go inside and get a shower and get rested up. Did get this too from nice touch from Cletus. Hell yeah, brother. Alright guys. Good night.